In this short video, I want to show how I set up Prettier to consistently format my JavaScript code. As you can see right now, wherever I copy paste, it doesn't look too good, doesn't look consistent at all. And when I save, the Prettier plugin for VS Code actually shows that it doesn't run because there is no config. Because I require my projects to have Prettier config for Prettier to actually work. So here's how we're going to set it up. I never remember how to do it myself, so I always go back to my blog where I search for Prettier, how to configure Prettier and VS Code blog post, and then I just look at the setup. Okay, I have to install the Prettier itself, so I'm gonna do it. I'll say install Prettier. I need the settings file, so I need this .prettier JSON. Let's select it correctly. So I need this, and I need these contents. I like using two spaces and no semicolons. So I'm gonna say touch file, and then this file right now is empty. I'll paste the contents. So we'll have trailing comma, two spaces, no semicolons, and we'll use single quote. And that should be enough. So now when we go to overlay and press save, Prettier is happy and the file is formatted consistently.